Hello. So I'm recording over this because I had music playing at the time, and copyright or whatever. Um, so I'm cleaning my mom's shoes in this. This is me showing you her shoes. They look dirtier in person. My light is kind of yellowish, like it's a warmer light, so it doesn't look as bad, but they were awful. They were just like kind of muddy and like meh. They were dirty, but they weren't like dirty, you know. That was me showing you what I was using to clean them. I'm just starting with like just an initial wipe down to get off whatever surface level gunk there was. Now that I'm watching this back, a lot more came off than I thought did. I don't know why I did that, but I did it. Why am I wiping down the bottom of the shoe? Yeah. So I don't know what to say. I'm still just wiping down the shoe. Yeah. Wiping down the other shoe. Yes, I am using the same wipe. I'm literally just using it to wipe the surface. I could have used two, sure, but I just needed the gunk off. My hair looks kind of funky. Like, you know how in anime sometimes a person will have like that one tuft of hair that doesn't. That's what it looks like in this. That's kind of cute, low key. Oh, I got my hair tucked behind my ears. Okay, that makes sense. This is just a toothbrush. It's in a bag specifically labeled for shoes, like for cleaning shoes, because that's the toothbrush I used last time I cleaned my shoes. It wasn't being used before that, it was new. Yeah. Got it from the dentist office. It's what I think it's Ariel. Here, let me check. I'm literally just sitting here after finishing cleaning these. Yeah, it's Ariel, and it's like pink, and it's got little glitters on it and stuff. And the handle is kind of like rubbery, which I really like, because it makes the physical, like the handle of the brush, slightly like bendy and whatnot. And then you've got like the, oh, I could have used that to scrub the bottom of them. It's got like these little like grooves on the back to try and like help clean your tongue. I don't know. It got pretty textures on it, and it feels nice to hold. And I have an electric toothbrush, so I don't actually use these, but they're really cute and they're comfy to hold, so I just take them whenever I go to the dentist office because they give you the free one. I always get one of like the kids ones though. I don't know. They're handy when it comes to crafting and like taking care of things. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just yapping to you about my fucking toothbrush that I use for cleaning shoes. Oh, it hasn't been that long. It's been like 4 minutes. Well, not 4 minutes. I'm yapping about that. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just yapping. Toothbrush. I'm tired. I never ended up using those Q-tips for anything. Ignore that part. I thought I was gonna like clean. inside the crevices, but I got it pretty good. Scrubbed it. I might go back in a little bit because I'm just like voiceovering the first part. Oh yeah, my footage, it like dies out in like a minute. Like a minute from now-ish. At like 6 minutes, 50 seconds, somewhere around there. And then, because my storage died, so I'm doing like a voiceover thingy for that last bit that I just recorded, and then I finished cleaning the shoes. So I'm gonna like show the shoes all clean at the end, but sadly my footage died after I finished. Like, yeah. Showing you the difference between the two. Like, I know they're not squeaky clean or anything, but I just wanted to give them a little scrub because they were getting crusty. And that bothered me. I'm not sure why it bothered me. Just, I was sitting in a chair and I looked down at my mom's shoes. And I was just like seeing her shoes and they were dirty. And so I got a very strong urge to clean them. And here's where my footage cuts out. Hi. Yeah, shoes cleaned.